Welcome, shipmates. Today is Monday, June 5th, and I'm Timothy.
And I'm Demetrius. On Friday, June 9th, JMB will have a mental field day. The project is being organized by the mental health team and being supported by the SGA to encourage students to appreciate the mental health benefits of physical activity. Please dress for physical activity on this day. The JMB School Store is having the end of the year sale. Get ready to snag some amazing deals before they're all gone. We have limited colors and sizes available of the Clippy Nations design, so don't miss out on this opportunity. The sale runs from Thursday, June 1st to Thursday, June 8th, and you can find us during all lunch shifts. Please note that we accept cash or check payments only. Make sure your checks are payable to JMB.
The JMB Food Pantry will have a drive-through food pickup on Wednesday, June 7th from 12:30 to 2 p.m. at the E-Wing doors. Pull up and we will load your car. SGA General Assembly will meet in room F110 during Flex on Wednesday, June 7th.
D&D Club will meet in the Media Center tomorrow from 3 to 5. Color guard practices tonight are 6 to 8.
There will be a golf team interest meeting on Wednesday, June 7th in D102. During Flex, anyone interested in playing on the JMB's team next year should attend this school meeting. Athletics information night for incoming 9th graders tomorrow from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Please share with any incoming Clippers.
The JMB volleyball team will be offering a summer engagement camp from after school from today, June 8th. From 3 to 5. Returning JMB athletes are able to participate. Any non-JMB athlete must have a complete physical and a form relief completed in order to participate. Email Coach Lori Menzel with any questions. And that's all we have for you today, JMB. Have a great day, JMB.